Making money with Shutterstock. Selling your footage and clips. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to sell photos, footage, clips, illustrations, and vectors on Shutterstock. Number 1. Create an account. Visit the Shutterstock website, www.shutterstock.com. Click on the Sign Up or Join button. Fill out the required information to create your account. This usually includes your email address, username, and password. Number 2. Verify your account. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Shutterstock. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your account. Number 3. Complete your profile. Log into your Shutterstock account. Navigate to your profile settings. Fill out your profile information completely. This may include your name, bio, location, and profile picture. Number 4. Prepare your content. Ensure that your photos, footage, clips, illustrations, or vectors meet Shutterstock's content requirements. High-quality images and videos with good resolution are preferred. Avoid copyrighted material or trademarks unless you have proper authorization. Number 5. Keyword and categorize your content. Before uploading, add relevant keywords and categories to your content. Use descriptive terms that accurately reflect the subject matter of your images or videos. This step is crucial for potential buyers to find your content through search queries on Shutterstock's platform. Number 6. Upload your content. Once logged in, navigate to the contributor section of your account. Click on the Upload Images or Upload Videos button, depending on the type of content you are submitting. Select the files from your computer that you want to upload. You can upload multiple files at once. Wait for the files to upload completely. Number 7. Please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. And back to the real content. Number 7. Add metadata. After uploading your content, you will need to add metadata such as titles, descriptions, and keywords for each file. Make sure the metadata accurately describes the content and includes relevant keywords for search optimization. Number 8. Submit for review. Once you have added metadata to your files, submit them for review by Shutterstock's team. They will assess the quality and suitability of your content based on their guidelines. It may take some time for your content to be reviewed, so be patient. Number 9. Wait for approval. After submission, wait for Shutterstock's team to review your content. If your content meets their quality standards and guidelines, it will be approved for sale on the platform. You'll receive a notification via email once your content has been reviewed. Number 10. Monitor sales and analytics. Keep track of your sales and performance using Shutterstock's analytics tools. Monitor which of your images or videos are selling well and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Use the data provided to optimize your keywords and content to improve visibility and sales. Number 11. Receive payments. Once your content starts selling, you will earn royalties for each download. Shutterstock pays contributors on a monthly basis, usually via PayPal or direct deposit. Make sure your payment details are correctly set up in your account settings to receive your earnings. Number 12. Continue to upload content. To maximize your earnings on Shutterstock, continue to upload high-quality and relevant content regularly. Stay updated with current trends and popular topics to create content that resonates with buyers. Engage with the Shutterstock community and participate in forums or discussions to gain insights and network with other contributors. Before we part ways, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude. Thank you for joining me on this journey today, for your time, your attention, and your positive energy. Remember, every moment is an opportunity to learn, grow, and spread kindness. As we close this chapter, let us carry forward the joy, the wisdom, and the inspiration we have shared. Let's continue to uplift each other, to embrace our uniqueness, and to chase our dreams with unwavering determination. Together, we are capable of incredible things. So let us keep shining bright, spreading love, and making a difference in the world, one step at a time. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for being a part of this amazing community. Until we meet again, take care, stay blessed, and never forget how truly amazing you are. See you next time.